Many preventable injuries to children involve furniture and everyday items. Often, we don't even consider that these can be a danger to tamariki. One such injury is children getting their hands and fingers stuck indoors. Thankfully, there are safety devices that can help prevent this. The finger pinch guard. You can place the finger pinch guard on top of a door no less than 15 centimeters from the outer edge, or place on the door high enough to be out of the child's reach. This stops the door from being closed on fingers and hands. The door jamb protector. Each door jamb protector comes with an adhesive holder. Peel the release paper and stick the holder to the wall or door. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from dust. With the door fully open, hang the door jamb protector over the top hinge. The door jamb protector stops the door from being closed on fingers and hands. The furniture corner cushion. Sharp corners of furniture and bench tops can be a real risk for fast-moving kids. Furniture corner cushions can be placed on sharp edges and corners to protect tamariki. Wash the corner cushions in warm soapy water prior to adhering and dry thoroughly. Clean off wax or polish from the furniture corners with alcohol before applying. Remove the paper backing from one side of the enclosed double stick tape and apply to clean, dry corner cushions on all three surfaces. Peel off the top backing from the tape and press the corner cushion firmly onto the corner. To remove, simply pull the corner cushion up from the corner and wipe off the adhesive with a cloth and some warm water. The glass safety sticker. Glass doors or panels can be a danger to tamariki as they can be hard to see. Mark glass panels indoors or large low-lying windows with stickers to make them more visible to tamariki. Simply remove the back of the sticker and place on glass panels, doors or low windows. It's best to place the sticker at your child's eye level so it will be most visible. For more information, check out Safekids Aotearoa.